staying alive, I'm killing the journey, feel something brewing inside of me.
Hey guys, this is Coach Miranda and welcome here in the Philippines Blockchain Week 2023. I'm very excited because ang dami pong mga pakulo, mga highlights, mga visitors here in the new Marriott Hotel. So watch out for our coverage for different people, different brands, different logos, and I cannot wait to see all of you guys. Miranda, I love you 3000 and
if you don't shine and you afraid of the dark. Say you want to be a big fish, but you can't swim with the sharks. Yeah, ain't phased, don't change, still the same when the camera's off. Look smooth, but I'm going hard. Play it cool, but I'm going off. If you want it, gotta take it from me. I can show you who the best is. All stats, no questions. You just a check off the checklist. Don't think you're ready for this part. This is our moment, here we are.
So how we view this debate is, of course, I, the moderator, will be reading the prompt or the debate prompt. But no worries, you will be hearing or reading the debate. Pwede namang mangarap yun. Diba?